Hi ladies! This tutorial is to show you how to correctly print and assemble the Dressmaking with Tiana PDF sewing patterns. All you need to do is follow the instructions on the Printing Your Pattern page of the booklet that comes with your pattern. On your computer, open up the pattern. Then open the printing options. Set the scale to 100%. Then uncheck the two-sided option. What we want to do first is print the very first page of the pattern to make sure that our test square is exactly 3 by 3 inches. This will tell us that all of our printing settings are correct. Select the very first page and print. Here is the first page of the pattern. We can check our test square to see if it is 3 by 3 inches. Yes, exactly 3 by 3. Now that we've checked our test square, we can print the entire pattern. Again, open up the printing box, set the scale to 100%, and uncheck two-sided, and print. Now let's assemble the pattern. As you can see here, when you print out the pattern, you'll notice several markings on the pages. There are circles in the corners to help you match up the pages, as well as letters and numbers. The letters mark the rows and the numbers mark the columns. On your pattern layout sheet, you'll be able to see how the pattern is laid out so that you can tape it all together in the correct way. To start off, you need to cut off the margin of one of two sheets that you will tape together. So I will start off cutting this edge. Then I will place these two together, making sure that my circles are matching up and all the lines are matched up as well. Then take some tape and tape it all together. It's easier to tape in little sections. You can either fold back or cut off the tape. Once you're done taping your pattern, you can cut off the excess margins. Here, I'm going to cut this and this off, like so. And once you've taped all of your pattern pieces together, you are ready to start sewing. You'll notice that there are several marks on the paper. You'll notice that there are some on your pattern layout sheet, you'll be able to tell how the pattern is laid out so that you can pin it all together. And once you've taped all of your pattern pieces together, you are done printing. And once you've taped all of your pattern pieces together, you are complete.